I'm Aditi Thapa, pursuing B.Sc in Fashion Design and Management at Inspiria Knowledge Campus. The Inspiria Art and Design Festival is a game changer for us. I never thought I would experience a styling session with Professor Neeti Banga without traveling to NIFT Delhi. It's happening right here. Inspiria brings industry to North Bengal through this festival. This gives me confidence. I can build my career from here. Our Department of Fashion Design and Management provides great mentorship, and the exposure is invaluable. We are not just learning design here, we are understanding the why behind the trends, the business of fashion, and how to present our creativity with a purpose. Each session is building our voice as future designers. Inspiria isn't just teaching us, they are launching our careers.